Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, a channel that features some of the most epic road moments scored on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a rear-end accident, and the driver casually fled the scene.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Are they mentally?
Oh my god.
Oh god. She just hit you. She just hit you.
One driver tried to take the advantage of a police car that was under rotation doing its job, so he started tailgating a police officer, but in the process he nearly hit the camera as well. Never behave like this driver here.
So sprawling, so massive. And before we go, I just want to point out that Hermelindo.
These are all conspirators having to bring them up into the federal level. What are the equivalencies of?
And they ran a red light too.
Laws of federal.
In this video, the driver took a turn way too fast, and if the car wasn't there, it would have hit the RV where the gas tanks are. The lady got out right away, and the emergency crew got there within 15 minutes and put out the fire. This is what happens when you don't pay attention at traffic lights, people. Traffic lights are a must to obey in traffic, and if you don't do that, you can easily end up causing a crash. A rude pickup truck driver purposely pulled out right in front of the camera. He saw him and he knew that he had a right of way, but he still did it. To make things even worse, the camera had a 9-year-old with him in the car, and luckily he didn't get rear-ended as he slammed his brakes. It came to a heated road rage in this video, because one driver, totally unprovoked, started cutting right in front of the camera, not once, but on multiple occasions, and for no real reason. The camera was really annoyed. Check out his reaction.
That we can see, we can feel, we can smell, we can touch, we can interact with in a very real way. And same with our bodies. Now God does tell us that we will receive an upgraded body. 1 Corinthians chapter 15. Last half of that chapter, God speaks through Paul and explains quite extensively. Asshole. What the f was that?
One driver was in a hurry and he almost caused a wreck at the intersection here.
Yeah, we kill it over there. Oh!
Oh my god.
What happened?
Yo. Hold on a second.
There is nothing worse than a slow driver using a fast lane in traffic. There are a lot of bad apples and other drivers in traffic, but the drivers who are on the wrong side of the road are especially creepy. Driver in front of the camera was texting and driving, and the camera clearly saw him as he was passing him by, but the situation didn't end there, because the driver who was texting and driving got his fragile ego hurt and he started chasing down the camera. Check out the whole development. Cameron was just minding his own business and driving around, and never in a million years did he thought that he'd catch something like this on his dashcam. Check out this crazy and epic police chase.
After half a mile, take the exit right, 126B, towards the Civic Center, then go straight ahead, San Benito Street.
What's going on? Am I missing something in this world, bro?
Take the exit right, 126B, then go straight ahead.
Is he running? He's not running, is he? No way. What am I watching? What the? It's crazy, dude.
After 700 feet, go straight ahead, San Benito Street, then bear right, go straight ahead.
And with this clip, we finally conclude yet another amazing episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and learn something valuable out of all the mistakes. That would make us really happy, because that's the purpose of this channel after all. If you support this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because we will greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care, guys.